Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It includes power seats, front and rear reading lights, voice-activated navigation, heated front and rear seats, a power liftgate, and leather upholstery. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.